Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Don't take anything personally. Ignore the opinions of others. Whatever people do, feel, think, or say, don't take it personally. Others are going to have their opinions according to their belief systems. So whatever they think about is not about you, but it's about them. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 19, NASDAQ off 3, S&P's down 3.5, gold contract up $16.20, trading at $12.37 an ounce. Silver up 27 cents at $17.75 an ounce. Platinum up $9.50 at $10.13 an ounce. Copper up 3.5 pennies at $2.64 a pound. Light sweet crude down 74 cents, $53.10 a barrel. Now, light sweet crude, folks, just can't handle higher price. It's going to be intriguing to see how it runs down into this $50 area. The $50 area is where the OPEC meeting was, and if it gets into that area, you know, by, let's say, 49, 48, bottom line is that you're going to see 44 bucks. It hasn't been able to hold higher price. Notes, the 10-year note up 20 ticks, 124.29. 30-year bond up 1.5 points, 151.13. Both notes and bonds, folks, last week rejected lower price, had lighter volume. Bottom line, they're going topside. They have price spread. They have volume behind the move. They both want higher price, which equals lower yield. King dollar. King dollar just can't handle higher price. It was up 350 ticks out here today. End up closing down 32 ticks, 99.810. King dollar's in a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. Your first price projection is 96.965. That's about 3 pennies from where we are. I expect what you're going to actually see out here is that King dollar wants to run into the 95 area. Euro, the euro is trading at 107, and the yen is at 111.67. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get a light volume day out here. You're at the highs. Bottom line, I expect these highs are going to get tested once again. You know, no juice up here, but you're right next to them in the SPY, that's for sure. We're 228.93. The highs 229.71. You got the 229.32 out here today. So, is it going to break it? I don't see it breaking it. When you're pushing into swing points and you're contracting with volume like we have, that's the first part. Second part is actually just as important. And what it is that because we've been here, folks, since the December 8th, what you can do is that you can set up, a channel, a nice horizontal channel. And you can see when you set up that channel that there's a lot more volume on the way down versus the way up. That's all about distribution. So it's still happening out here. Bottom line, I expect you are going to get it tested because we're right next to it. Dow Industrial, same type of setup in the Dow. The Dow today hit 20,094. The high out here is 20,125. What we did do in the Dow, now this is where this gets interesting. The Dow technically did fail on price and volume. And what it is this. The Dow went into the high of the 26th. So you take the volume from today, and then you take the volume from the 26th. So the volume today was 769 million. The 26th was 829 million. You went into the low of the high, rejected it on price. That's saying you're going to go back downtown. The NASDAQ composite. What do we do with the composite? Composite's just laying at the highs. The high in the composite is 59.69. The low of that high is 59.47. So you can see the composite is into the highs. Bottom line, we're at 56.63. Composite also dramatically light volume. But bottom line is that you're at highs, and the composite can actually take that one out. Because what the difference is that the composite is deep into that bar. So it doesn't have to just do a test. We're at 1.7 billion in the composite, and that correlation, let's see, the 26th we're dealing with. you're 1.831. So you're still 100 million short in the composite. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, gold wants higher price. You had gold go up $16 today. You've done 190,000 contracts. It's a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. You're talking like 12.50 to 13.15. So a big move out here. XAU, HUI, all of the above. If you look at the XAU, now the XAU, we were up $3.27 today. It looks to me like the XAU actually is going to make a run for 114. Now the 114 area, it's actually, the price projection is 111 I have. So 111 would be, 111 is, you're talking right under the August highs. You had a breakout here today, and I won't get the volume until tonight, but I can tell by the way that the equities were trading, meaning, the breakdown inside the XAU, that there's volume in this market out here today. Rheingold Resources came out with numbers, huge numbers. It broke another B point of an ABC structure on the way up. It's a monster ABC up also. So there's some real action. The Gold Bugs Index, was up 738. Has the wide price spread, has the volume. The difference is the Gold Bugs Index right now, 250 is game. The August high of 285 is not game just yet. But the Gold Bugs Index only has to get up another, actually, hold it. This is going to get interesting. 218. Yeah, I gotta look at this tonight. The Gold Bugs Index might be generating the same deal. When I see that volume tonight, it could be generating the same deal because it launched at 218. You're at 219.68, and bottom line, that would launch. That'd be saying 285 would be coming at you. Bonds, the 10-year note first. 10-year note out here. Bottom line goes top side. 20 ticks. We're at 124.29. That wants higher price. And what that's all about, all these metal moves, folks, the bond moves, all about King Dollar. King Dollar's a ABC structure on the way down. You're talking, we're at 99.810. That wants 96.985. You stay right there, folks. We come right back. Dow finished down 19. NASDAQ off 3. S&P's down 4.5. We'll be right back.